Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with Sample Exam 1 and we're in Project 5. As always, you can get your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel, and the file we're working on at the moment is sweets.xlsx. So it's sweets.xlsx spreadsheet. So question 1 is we have to convert the cell range A1 to D6 to a table. So we highlight our range A2 to D6. We go to format as table and we're looking for the blue table style light 6. Okay, so we click on that. My table as headers, we leave the tick in that, click OK. And now that's made it a table with headers. Okay, the next question then is to convert the cell range A10 to D15 to normal range. So we highlight the range, we click on convert to range and click yes to the message. Do you want to convert the table to normal range? Okay, the next question then is we have to delete the Eurospar row. So we click into anywhere in the Eurospar row, right click, we go to delete and we go to table rows. Okay, so we're doing that there now. So I'm clicking on that. That row is now gone. The next question then is we have to filter the chocolate column by less than 1.4. So we click in anywhere in the column, click on my drop down arrow, go to number filters and less than, and in here we type in 1.4 and then we click OK. Now we've got to clear the filter, so I click on clear. Then the final question then is we've got to sort the table. So we click into sort and then we click on sort by and we're going by shop name. Then we click on add level because then we want ice cream. And now we're clicking on OK. So that's brilliant. Thanks very much for watching. And that's now Sample Exam 1 Project 5 completed. And we'll see you soon on Sample Exam 1 Project 6. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.